Greeting everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Fauzan Razindri Azhar from the School of Computer Science.
And I am Rafael Balthazar Zambiring, also from the computer science.
Today, we will from Group 9 and we will present our final work in the form of a game time paper entitled The Use of Ray Tracing in Today's Games. We chose a topic related to games because we are people who like to spend time playing video games, or you could actually say gamers as well. And we also choose ray tracing because ray tracing is now one of the technologies found in games that is currently developing and is widely used in video games in these modern times.
Okay, in this paper, first, we have to start by explaining how video games before. From the earliest history of game creation, which starts from the arcade era and then games in the home console era, and finally to games with realistic graphics and voice acting. But we are now going to explain the graphic part because it's the main topic of our paper, so we won't be explaining the voice acting. All right. Our paper uses the SLR method, which stands for Systematic Literature Review. The SLR method is a literature review method that identifies, evaluates, and interprets several existing studies that are relevant to the research question or the topic. We use a total of 3 questions that can help us complete this research, which is, what is the definition of ray tracing? How is ray tracing implemented in the game? And the final question is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of ray tracing? And with the help of the 30 references that we find, we can get the research results from answering these 3 questions that we have. All right. In this study, we first explain what ray tracing is, along with the history and games that have used ray tracing. Second, we explain the implementation of ray tracing in games along with examples of games that can use ray tracing to the maximum and games that do not use ray tracing to the maximum. And we also know that to enjoy the ray tracing feature in the games, we must have the NVIDIA RTX graphic card and also the latest AMD RX 6000 series graphic cards in our laptop or PC, which is widely known to be expensive. And the last one, the third, we explain about the advantages and disadvantages of ray tracing itself. So that is our paper, and we are from Group 9, and we are already present our work. And thank you for listening and observing our work.